Give me 1 sec, I will be right back. I'm back. My bad. Check. All right, let's do it. Okay, let's see. What do we have going on? All right, so I'll move this over to this corner. I need to do some testing real quick first. Okay, so file, save all. Project settings. And for our what's it called, post-processing, we're just going to use screen space for now. So global illumination to screen space, and our reflections to screen space as well. Okay, so right now I'm having issues with my save system, so we're gonna fix that. We also go in and set our settings. It just crashed, I think. Off to a great start. Loving it. Let's see. Whatevs. Okay, let's restart. Let's try her again. Just wait for that to launch. While we wait for that, I need to get make human out of the downloads folder and we'll move it to new folder. Software. Move UPBGE there. Paste that. And let's just extract all. And do the same here. So we can delete that. We don't need that anymore. We can extract that. And let me see. Let's go to the project file. Let's do to make a new save game. It did. Okay, so we have this phone mechanic. You have this phone, you can walk around, take pictures. The idea is that gonna be that you collect evidence of things. So you see this guy, you can try and snap a photo of him real quick. And it pulls up the gallery. Let's see here, let's pull it up here. Ran into an issue. Let's see what is the problem. Okay. Call function, get dynamic material, return value. So what about it? Execute graph individual photos. Okay. So where are we setting these? Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so pre-construct. Let's look at our phone. Are we ever calling this? Texture. Oh, we want to set it to So where are we creating this? Let's look. Okay, we're calling it from here. So that means okay. So we're actually gonna change this out to just display the last photo taken. So let's take a look. Go over to the camera. Snap a photo. Okay. So there's our picture. And then if we go back to the camera, snap another photo. So that updates as it should. Which is good. Scalability. Oh shoot, let me pull up the chat. I'm sorry if anyone's here. I forgot to open my chat. Okay, my bad. I did not have the Twitch chat up. So hello everybody. Hello Twitch. Okay, so go to tool settings and toggle borders. Okay. I'm gonna put the chat down here, I think. Somewhere like that. Imagine it would be somewhere in the editor settings, which is, I believe, down here. Some appearance, no. Reference viewer have. Default maximums. Okay. Let's change everything to manual. Default screen position. So I should be able to go in here and nope. That it? set it to low for now, just for stream purposes. Okay, so we go in here, open up the camera, snap a photo. That updates as it should. That's good. Okay, so what I want to do is for these computers, let's browse to it. These aren't using nanite, are they? Doritos, hello. Hell yes. Hell yes. My gosh. Okay, so one thing I need to do is go into Blender, and we need to get the UVs. Thank you, Doritos. I appreciate it. Fuck Pink Floyd, hell yeah. Oops, select all. Hell yes. Fuck Pink Floyd. So let's get our computer model. What did we call it? Oops. Where did we save it? I missed you too. Hell yeah. Let me see here. Just search an F. For retro. Computer. EX. Well, what we can always do is just, actually, I think we can just do it from the content browser. Let's just export it. So actions, export, there we go. Sci-fi assets, and go down to objects, and yeah, I have no idea where that got saved. Export, okay. So now we'll just import it into Blender. Objects. Let's get rid of these LODs. I did not turn off the LOD thing. And then let's grab the UV. So let's go to UV editor. I think we have the computer in here somewhere. I'd imagine we would. Unless I put it in here in the texture folder. So let me see real quick. What would I have named it? Like computer? I don't know what I did with it. How do we see our poly count? Pretty sure 0 is the highest. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the one we're looking for. Either way, all we need to do is get our UV map. So you know what? It's being weird. So let's do this static mesh. Export. Level of detail, no. Collision, no. Yeah, that's what we want. Doritos. Hell yeah, hello. I love you too. There we go. Okay, so let's, now that we have it, have the right thing. This is what we wanted. There we go. Yeah, everything looks good. The face. Select. Select. Invert. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that model. We're gonna just separate it. Unwrap. Formal, there we go. Okay, so now we have our screen. And I'm gonna call this intro computer screen. And just re-export it. Make sure I did that right. Selected objects. There we go. Oh shit, we don't want to do that. Oops. Okay, so set actions, place references. No. I think we want to do, we just, okay, there we go. Re-import with new file. Oh shit, which one is it? Export FBX. Virtual computer. Oh, we'll just re-export it just to make sure. And just froze. Probably because of what's it called? Okay, so we just gotta wait it out. Oh shit. It's not what we wanted. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually, because it didn't. First delete, and we're just gonna do this. Under materials, import materials, textures, don't import textures, and import. Where's the, okay, there it goes. Okay. Black and screen glass. Close that and don't need those anymore. So I'm gonna create a new material. Computer underscore screen, and then blueprint class actor retro computer. Actually, put BP at the start. BP underscore retro computer, and then we'll drag our static meshes in. So we'll get this and drop them in. Beautiful. Box collision. see. Let's drag it in here. Maybe make it a little bigger. Drag it up. Oh my god, here comes Microsoft. Because we accidentally opened Visual Studios earlier. Okay, so let's see. Computer here, beautiful. So now yeah, so that looks good. So the other thing I'm going to do is let me look at something. I had this written down because I had to do it before and then forgot. Okay, so where is it? That's not it. One second, I think I'm almost there. All right. So we need to add a widget. Interaction with I think we want widget interaction. But at the same time, that would mean putting the widget we'll just use widget. And then for the material, we'll do computer screen. Okay, there we go. Then we don't have a widget set up yet, so let's make that interface widget. Let me double check. User widget. Blueprint, call it widget blueprint computer UI. There we go. We'll do a canvas. Oops. I'm gonna try to do it this way at least. Don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. image. Let's see, custom 20 by 1080. And for the image, that'll also be 1920 by 1080. And the tint, we'll just make it black. Okay. And then some text. Let's at 60. Or actually, no, we can do this. Anchor at 0. Position 0, 0, padding 5, there we go. And then for our Y position, for now, just call it menu, and let's do size to content. There we go. Let's see what fonts. Size, say, like 60. Yeah, that's good. Actually, we also need to do another thing. We need to get an image, and I don't think we did this. What the? Oh, okay. UV export UV layout. Twinkie, hello. What did you do to yourself? What happened? Your room is hot. Do you not have AC? Oh, what's going on there? What is your AC out? So 1024 by 1024. Or not AC. Is your heat out? No, I know. I misspoke. Or I just wasn't thinking at all, to be honest. You know me, I don't think. Thinking's for the weak. Alright, let's drag and drop that UV should be in here. Then go outside. Why don't you go outside? Or turn the heat down a little bit, you know? For our image, we're going to use that UV map we just imported, so... Size 220 by 1080. You guys can't turn it down? Here's some info. God damn it. Here-ish should work. And let's see. Canvas. I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. That sounds horrible. I can't do too much heat or um cold. I have to be balanced out. Let's see. I don't know. Inbox, make it an inbox option? Sweating and shaking like a stripper. That is horrible. That is absolutely horrible. Wow. Where did our vertical? Oh. Never mind, we want this and this. Drag that into the vertical box. Size to content. Move the box here. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, no, that's horrible. I wish there was something I could do to help, but unfortunately there is not. We'll call this just kind of making things up here. I just want something to lay out for now. Little box and call this, I don't know, documents, something like that. Okay, so in this widget, we're going to, what did we call that widget? Computer UI, okay. Underscore computer UI. Controller's fucking with everything, I dropped it. Shit. Okay. So now we need to set the texture. No, we already did. Oh. Let's see here. There we go. texture. We'll do a render target. Let's see. Texture, render target. Computer, render target. There we go, just like that. And for now, just drag it up really high so that you can't see it. Now, why is our screen not updating? Oh. Screen, there we go. That's better. Plug that into the emission as well. And then over in the event graph, maybe it's the construction script. No, we'll do event. Event begin play. Widget. Hold up, actually, let me reference where else I'm doing this. Create dynamic material. Okay, so, oops. Yeah, so create dynamic material instance. Computer underscore screen. I think that's how we did that. Okay, so and then yeah, we need the event tick. Set texture parameter value. Yeah. Set texture. Oops. Param. Let me just do this. Set texture parameter. Why is that not working? Oh. Okay, yeah, I know what we need to do. We need to, over here, promote a variable, dynamic material reference. There we go. Then we'll go and get it. What was it called? Yes, Doritos, what is up? Thank you. I appreciate it. Tick, and our parameter is going to be called, is this even, convert to parameter, computer display. Alright. Display just like that. Oops. File and save, and if we play, should, in theory, it is not. It is in fact not displaying our thing. Let me see here. Oh, you know what? Actually, this doesn't need. Hold on, let me see something. I'm just gonna set this to a random texture. I don't know. I'll use this for now. Oh. We're in the wrong thing. We can use this. Let's see how that. Okay, so there we go. It's displaying. So now when we play. Okay, so it's just displaying that. It's not displaying our widget. So. Computer. Let's see. Let me see something. Projector. Computer UI, alright. Okay, let's take a look at something. Alright, my bad. Okay, so let's see. Why is this not working? Let me try doing the construct. See what happens. No, it's still displaying that for some reason. Let me check. See, save, and our event graph. It's weird. Why can't I figure this out? Okay, so we have our retro computer. Where is it? Retro P R. Okay, so the screen that we made is assigned copy file path. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have it assigned to the computer screen. All right. The screen. Okay. Then on an event tick, set texture parameter value. Oh. I know what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Get render target. Pile, save, minimize, and when we play, nothing. So what the heck? material graph. Okay. Screen. Okay. Now it looks like it's running. Okay, beautiful. There it is. It works. So now it's displaying our widget. Only problem is that it is sideways. So that's an easy fix. We can just go into Blender. Actually, we can do this. You project from view S. That export BX virtual computer, and then for the UV we just need to export UV. All right, there we go. Go back in here and re-import. Actually, we want to re-import this. There we go. And the UV as well. So we will go ahead and re-import that. Save it. Save it. And go into the UI, grab our text here, and we can set X position to 0, Y to like there. Beautiful. Except why is it? Why does it look weird? Let's see here. Oh, that's why 1024 by 1024 equals center. Position 0, 0, 0.5, and 0.5. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and change the whole canvas to be 1024 by 1024. Image 1024 by 1024. Okay, that should fix it. It did not, in fact, fix it. Let's see here. Why is it displaying weird? Let's see. Let me compare to the other material that we have. Budget. Canvas is 2048 by 2048. And we could try scaling up the canvas. I don't think that would really make a difference. Let's see. I don't know why it's being weird. Let's take a look real quick again. Okay. This is really weird. I don't know why it's not projecting properly. Eight. Hold up. Let me look at. I only have a widget in here with the here we go. So it's just centered. Anchor center 0 0 by 2048. File and save. It's possible I didn't export something right, because we have our widget projecting, but the screen is not looking right. File, export, FBX. So, browse to re-import. Let's see here. What was it called? Computer RT. Computer RT. Screen widget. By 100 maybe? Let's try that. It's not any better. You look at the render target. By 2048. Might be part of our problem. No, it's not the texture size. So how do we fix this? canvas and do 512 by 512. 512. Where did that? Okay. 512 by 512. Oops, this is what I'm. No, that's not what I wanted. Why? There we go. Let's just see if that does it. I'm not understanding why this is happening. Let me look at the UVs. Let's take a look. Play around. Maybe it's not the UI, it's, I don't know what it is, but it's something is really weird. Don't know why it did that. Let's toggle this. I'm actually gonna delete it for now. So play. Just get a black screen. Okay. Do this. Browse the asset. Oh, you know what? I bet I know what it is. Widget. Import. I don't know if that's what it was. Oh, yep, that was it. That did it. That fixed it. It was the draw size. Alright, cool. So now we can accept one weird problem. Let me anchor this to the top like that. Vertical box. See. Yeah, that's how we want it. Okay, so now we're gonna attempt to make the interaction system for it. So let's go here, F, and then event graph, do component begin overlap, actor cast to player character. to widget. True. And then for the box again, and overlap. Just copy and paste this. Set that to false. Let me see something. Unlit. Forgot how I handle my interactions. So let me delete these, gallery, target. Okay, so we're gonna go grab our player blueprints, player character. I think it would probably be an interface. Okay, so it needs to have, for one, it needs a the interface interact, API interact, save, okay, and then functions. What do we want it to do first? Maybe let's try this. Set game mode or set input mode. Let's try UI only. Widget to focus. Okay. So it's not creating our disabled input. What if I did, thinking, I have this plugin, could try it. I don't think it would work too well though. So it's figuring out how to interact, I guess. You know what? We'll do this. Set show mouse cursor. True. Yeah, I didn't think that would work. There's something we could try. Actually, we don't even have anything programmed, so we don't know if it's actually working or not. So, graph. Where the heck is variable button? Let's get an on click. All right. Let's see. Where's our unclicked? Or don't we have an unclicked? But it's down here. I'm dumb. So we're just gonna quicken. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, let's see here. So interact. Yeah, I didn't think that would work, but you know. Okay, so need to do widget interaction. Do. Maybe I was wrong. Let's see. Interaction with the widget. I don't know how widget interactions work. Virtual user index. Each virtual user should be represented by two. I might have to look into this. I don't know if that's just a plug and play thing where you just throw it in there and it just works. Let's do this. Take it 90. Scale it down. 5. 5. Oh, 05. 05 and 05. 045. 04. Just for testing, I'm gonna do this. Okay, it's not working anymore. Don't think. I think we broke it. Let's do simulate. No, it's working on the computer screen at least. I don't know why it's not working on the actual widget. Disable that for now. Don't know why it's not displaying. Let's see. See, it displays on the computer screen. Pretty sure that's supposed to be displaying something. But it's not. No, let's turn off the code that we have. Just see what happens when it's just in the viewport. So now it's setting. That's interesting. But alright, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go eat. I'll be back. I'm back. My bad. So the widget interaction goes on the player, I believe. Which we just want. Okay, whatever. It's fine here. Traces from the mouse location of the first local. Sure. Okay, so now where? Come on, open it. Having some problems here. Let's do this. Let's clear this. Let me look at something. Could work. Okay, hold up. Okay, so okay. Let me look at something. Um, hold up, I'm just looking for something. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this a little differently. So we're just gonna have the material display on the computer. So I need to find something, interact widget. Let me add a breakpoint here because this isn't working properly. Okay, so it's weird. So let me go here, elevator kit, blueprints. Yeah, so it should be creating the widget, which it's not. Actor, visible. Oh, that's what it. Okay. Interact widget. Okay, there we go. That's what we were doing wrong. Okay, so we can close that. So what we're gonna do is in the computer, we're gonna go to the computer here, new folder, widget, display. Computer widget. Okay. So BP underscore computer widget. We're gonna have a widget computer widget and computer UI. Save. Do 100 by 100. 12 by, oops, yeah, 512 by 512 is what we want. Okay, and then, oops, capture, scene capture component 2D. And we're going to make this orthographic. And its target is going to be computer. Compile, save. Computer screen is set to that. Yes. So what I'm also gonna do for the sake of making sure this is set right is I'm gonna add a plane take it 90, scale it up to be just a little bigger than that. Then we can look at this. And set this to say 100. Let's see how that looks. Oops, don't need that. Okay, so that's too much. 500. That. Oops. 800. Because 800 is too much. So 600. 550. 520. 510. Oops. 511. Just want to get it as close as possible to being right. 512. 515. 19. So it might be like 518. 518, compile, save. 517. Yeah, 517 it is. So now when we play, we can see that the okay, cool. So that breakpoint worked. Breakpoint, remove, save. Beautiful. Okay, so then line trace. All right. Okay, so we need to do a line trace from the player. So let's go to here, let's go to player blueprints, and for widget interaction, custom. Show debug. Trace to detect this. Okay. So then so let's see. So let's also a scene component. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of snap the player to the computer. Location, so let's be like add a cube real quick just so I can see visually where we are actually. So internet locations, copy that, paste that onto the cube. Zero. There we go. And kind of compare that to where we are now. So we can move it back some interact location. That to about there, yeah. Maybe a little closer, like that. Should be fine. And if we go to play it, should work. Yeah, that should be fine. Maybe we'll move it back just a tad bit. Just like that. Delete the cube. And we'll make a function called interact location, I guess. Give it a input. A vector transform. Okay, so go back to the event graph. So on interacted, also promote the player to a variable. And then we'll get the player, crap, why is it? Oh. Okay, there we go. Interact location. And for that, we are going to split, get our interact location, get location. Actually, we'll do get transform. And split that. So for the location, plug that there. And then over in the player, we will set location. Split this, set the new location like that. Then we want to you know, maybe hold up. We'll do this instead. Let's make this an actor. Where's our player character? Alright, let's change this to actor. Object reference, I guess. Scene component. Hold up, let me look at one of my other functions. Interact with enemy. Let's see. Okay, so how do we do this? Let's copy the code here, this much of it. And we'll move it over to here. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Interact with the enemy. Control C. And here we'll do Control V. Crap. Paste that there like so, and then is that what we want to do? No, we want self. So do this, plug that into there, and undo that. Can we do this? Correct. Look at actors and patient to snap to, I guess. Let's do like a vector. We'll do transform. So what are we in right now? Okay, so that's a world that's local. So let's get the scene interact location. Okay, okay, let's see. Yeah, so we'll do that. Get transform. Just plug that in like that. And then over here in the interaction location function, let's split that. Set actor location. Split that. Just want the X and the Y, I believe. Okay. Okay, that should do that. Alright, so now we go in here. Oh, which is, hold up. Oh shoot, we didn't set that. Do that, yeah. Yeah, that works. Cool. So where did we go? We're not lit. The heck? Why did it shoot the player all the way? Okay, I don't know. Get location. Go back to the player and make this. Just keep it a vector actually. So we'll split. And do that. Try that. Okay, so that's not working for some reason. How do we interact with this? How do we do it? Here. Let's go to the player and look at the interact with enemy. Where's the tab key reference? Tab key actor reference, find references. Okay, so let me look under character. Let me look at this. I don't remember how I did all this. Let's see, characters. And overlap. Okay. Okay. Let me redo this. Set actor location. Here, self, and wait. Direct look at object. Okay. So let's see what happens now. Okay, we interact. And now we're stuck. Okay, so it works. We just need to move that thing back. That or actually this is. Okay, so we're gonna subtract y. Okay, I'm gonna subtract a bit on the y value. So let's go back in here to the player. Split and split. Let's see, y minus, say, 50, like that. Let's see what happens. Okay, it needs to be way more. Let's do something dramatic, like 500 for now. And that works. Looks like we actually need to add. So let's do add 100 to the y value. Beautiful. That works. Only problem is that we're not rotating to it. So what we're gonna do for that is I'm gonna do a disable movement, move to simple move to actor. No, that's not what we want, I don't think. Target is that. Okay. Let's see. Well, first off, let's check this. Okay, so we got this. let's see, how do we do this? We need to set the character and let's do that. Find what? Oh. Oh, we already have that. Never mind, I'm dumb. Active rotation node. But it's not working, that's the problem. Set active rotation. Let's see here. Okay, let's go over here and interact. Oh, I guess it is working. Okay, so if we're facing, say, this way. Yeah, oh, okay. Okay, so that does work. Okay, so now for the camera. Rotate camera. Let's see. Let's get the player camera. Get world. location. Find, look at rotation. Okay. Rotation. Um, That's not what I want. Set. Oh, God damn it. Set rotation. I don't know. Let me see something. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. And plug that in. And we want to set use. Use the view rotation of the pawn where possible. Okay, so you know what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a variable, call it camera locked question mark. Compile, and we're gonna set this probably one of the first, actually, yeah, we'll do that first. And then actually so let me go to here. Where's our camera? Move this back. Drag this over here, and we'll put this over here. Branch. False is true. Then we want to clamp the amount that the camera can look. Hold up. Let me see something. Camera. Max. Actually, let me see. Is there? Here we go. Camera. Um. Is there a like max rotation? Come on. Let's see. I don't see much. Let me look at the event graph. Camera. I'm not sure. Trying to figure out how we can clamp the camera so that you can only look like 90 degrees. That's what I want to do.